Welcome, today you've heard of me CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch the Gmail application, and after that we should click on the right upper corner here to see that we're logging in here in Gmail account. If you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out first from Google account on our device. And how to do that? So first we should click here to manage accounts on this device. After that we can see here that in Google account settings we have this account, Gmail account, and to log out from here we should click here remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account again and by tap to OK. Now if you have some just log methods, in my case this is pattern, you can also enter the password to drive the pattern. And now in Google account settings we can see that we just log out from Gmail account, and one will go back to the application. We can refresh it and we can see that we also log out from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.